Yes, I'm giving you a demonstration on the Sabre Cloud solution. This is how the login looks, and when you connect, this is a computer, a server of ours sitting in America, which is connecting back to our office here in Pinetown. So if I log on here, on the login screen, I'm going to show you a report first, so you can just see the time it takes to generate a report, a weekly timesheet. Remember, this is from America. Okay, so if you want to go to employee management, for example, set up shifts, all good. Okay, so I'm going to leave that one there, and now I'm going to open a local one from this computer itself. There we go. Okay, so this is now my login locally within the office. And the other one is still functioning over here from America. Log in there, go to employee management. There's the shifts, clocking devices, all that information. We go and do the same report here. If you want an employee. Change to another employee. Okay, so that's the logging in. Now, just last thing I want to show you is just how you can make this a full screen, or you can leave it in that window. I forgot to show you just now. So once you logged in and connected, you've got this little drop down over here, and you can say full screen. And that gives you the full screen so that you've got all the space in the world to do everything that you need.